Good morning, guys. My name is Lawrence. I'm an aircraft flight dispatcher, a flight operations specialist. This is just like a circular and an advice to my friends, travelers this period. It's not a news that around Africa, especially countries like Nigeria, some other African countries, the southern, the western, and northern Africa, and even in the US, a lot of people make more travel plans this period, especially locally. I'm going to centralize locally here in Nigeria. Yes, towards winter, specifically from 22nd of December, when the sun is directly overhead the tropics of Capricorn, we are experiencing longer nights and shorter days, especially in the northern hemisphere, which Nigeria falls in. And it comes with a lot of weather activities, just like it's getting dry, especially in the northern part of Nigeria. It's getting dry. The dew point temperature is very, very low, so you notice that the moisture in the atmosphere is very small, and this will characterize weather drop in horizontal visibility, which is difficult for some operators or some airlines to still depart. It might interest you to know that no airline can depart without at least getting the required minimum for every airport. And some of all these airports don't have adequate facilities yet. I know some of them are still under construction, and some of them, okay, I don't know, but they don't have adequate facilities for us to shoot what is called an ILS approach, that's Instrument Landing System approach, or even maybe RNAV, which is also another non-precision approach. But for precision approaches like ILS, some airports don't have that adequate facility. So as a result, it is difficult for them to depart when the weather is below operating minima. Some major airports in Nigeria that may not experience that is when you are traveling to Abuja from Lagos, or from Lagos to Abuja, or to Kano, or to Port Harcourt. And then some of the airports that don't have those adequate facilities, like Akure, Usubi, sometime Owerri, we have some places like Escravos and Calabar. Some of all these airports that don't have instrument landing system, expect delays in your flight, or would I rather say plan your flights earlier. Before ending of December, towards the ending of December, is going to be very, very difficult. The weather is beginning to drop. If you look very well, you can see that it's a bit hazy. But in Lagos, we have adequate facilities. We have an instrument landing system that aircraft can actually shoot approach in an event of drop in horizontal visibility, which is caused by dust, because Harmattan is characterized by dust when breeze blows dust from Sahara Desert towards the monsoon. It starts from towards ending or middle of November towards March. It's a normal phenomenon, but we as Nigerians, we are supposed to plan around it and work towards utilizing it for our own purpose. But unfortunately, it's not like that. So it's just like an advisory information for all the travelers. Expect delays for Owerri, for Port Harcourt. Enugu, yes, they have ILS, but I cannot say it is working 24/7. So that's it. Thank you. I will bring in more advisory in due course. Thank you, guys. Good morning.